Hi, hello, everybody, we are welcome back to more Let's Play Trouble. But do not worry about Mario Party 4. I told you, Mario Party 4 will be updated later. And now my computer's not better. Hold on. Okay, guys, let's start the game. Okay, let's go. I am making my first grouper. 3, 1. It's blue, red, yellow, and green. 2. Sorry about last game. 3 again. Mom said bad word. Yes, you have to skip the arrow. 5. My turn. 5, yes. You know what's funny? In Dragon Josh, they're like playing a game at the end of. They were playing a game at the shrimp episode. I'll explain that to you later. They were playing a board game. The grandma was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then Walter said, "Ooh, you're not talking." And then she slapped again. She let go of the Game Boy and who's in the doghouse now? Yeah, that's funny. I guess. Wait, no. Hold on. Try it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm next to green. Thank God. This game I actually go fast. 3. But do not worry about Mario Party 4. That game will be updated later. But I've been made from Super Mario RPG. I've been made from Mario Party. Mario, come back in like 15 minutes and then we'll talk. Okay. Yeah, that's for my Mario. Yes, sir. This is good. I'm actually gonna get home. 1. Oh no! That means I think y'all have to go back to start. Then he takes over. 4. 1. 5. Okay, I need a 2 to win. 1. 4. 2. Okay, get up 2 again. Okay, now. Oh man. Okay. 6. It's really hard to get the number you were asking for. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. I need a 6. It's not 6. Okay, I need a 1. 3. Aw. Aw. 2. 1. Okay, I need a 1. No. There's this horror movie coming out. It's called Grave Encounters. I think it's actually a jelly bit scary. 5. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You go back to home. My turn. You what? I'm pretty good. Hey, go back 2 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what? Hold on, wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, hold on. One. Okay. One. Okay. One. Oh, where did I go back to 5? 2. Uh-oh. Okay, Rabbi actually went there, so watch out, blue fanboys. Okay, I need a 1, 2. Okay, what? I need 6. That's all 6. 3. Oh, come on, I lost. Okay, game's over, folks. Yeah, that was trouble. Red player won. Yeah, okay. See ya.